Welcome to Emily's house.
Hi! I'm here to make a vlog about me redoing this old 1968 Airstream and making it into an actual livable space. Here's some before pictures and then I'll show you what we've done so far. Here's all the junk. Oh my gosh, it smells so bad. And right now we are trying to scrape off all the mold. If you saw in the before pictures, there was a lot of it. Here's the kitchen.
Day one, woo.
Yeah, day one, woo!
So much. I knew I was going to miss something.
Do you need help?
Yeah, I'm gonna record, that'll help. I'm like, stop! I'm done recording this. This is done.
I'm vlogging.
Woo! 1972. Whoa! We took out a lot. Wow! Wow, look how shiny! So, we bought this.
Okay, so what do we get? 36?
We laid our first thing of plywood. We're painting. Oh my god. So, I haven't been doing my vlogs recently. The next couple scenes that you'll be seeing is just montage stuff, getting some stuff that we've been wanting to cover for a while. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Right now, we are putting in windows and it's been going really well. We're gonna start putting in flooring next after we finish windows, and it's gonna actually start looking livable. Thanks for enjoying my bad vlogging.
Excuse me, señor. It is not ole, ole.
There's flooring.
One ole.
Yay!
Yeah. Ready? Let me put how hot. Be careful. Hot. Okay. Look, like.
Wow. Wow. Hey guys. We decided that we're gonna get a roof air conditioner because the one that we were gonna put in here is just too big. Instead, I'm gonna have a little bookshelf. But yeah, I think you can see that we did majority of the kitchen on it. And then look, here's my bed. Oh my gosh. And then here's my bathroom so far. I'm not regretting it one single bit. I just can't wait for this to be like my home, you know? So we're chilling, we're waiting. And it'll be great.
Glad to join many of your friends in wishing you the best on this day. And in thanking you for another year of making us laugh and making us think.
Officially done routing. So apparently, while I was gone, my parents were getting it ready. So we're gonna go take a look inside. Aw, y'all cleaned up the patio. Oh, cute. Aw, cute. You finished the door! Oh gosh! Aww.
Well, that was the thing. Yeah, I don't know where
Aww.
I don't know where your drawings are.
What's more? Hey, it's me again. So, it has been about a week since we have completed my Airstream, and I just wanted to give you guys a little tour real quick. So as you can see, this is the kind of like final furniture pieces and decorating that we have added. Here's the kitchen. Okay, here's my little desk area with my necklaces and jewelry. Bathroom, it's a little messy. Here's the shower. Then there's the bedroom area. There's all my clothes, my dresser, some backpacks. Then this is my bedroom area. So actually, we're going to make curtains but we just haven't really gotten around to it. But that will one day be a curtain. Right now I'm using a sheet with clips. I just really am thankful for everybody who watches this video. We've just put so much work and love into this, and I'm just very proud of the outcome. But thank you for watching. It's been a blast, been a fun ride. Now I'm gonna show you some fun videos. So bye.
Go, go.
I'm gonna call this one Joey, Jeff, Tiger Lily.
It won't go on. No, don't leave.
Mom!
What are you doing?
I'm videotaping for the vlog.
That was loud.
I'm just gonna let you myself.
And so we ended up finding 2 rats.
Oh, okay.
No, I don't think so.
Remy the Ratatouille. Remy, come here. Oh no. Oh my goodness. It's cold outside. I'm very, ow, ow. Should have recorded that. That was funny.
No.
Wait, did I do that right?